You want to ride it? Huh?
Yeah.
Want to ride it? Jeremiah, what is that? Hey, look at me. What is that? You want to ride it? You want to go bye-bye?
Yeah.
You want to go bye-bye?
Yeah.
You want to ride it?
Yeah.
You want to go boom, 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 boom. Hmm? You want to go bye-bye?
Yeah. Tata, why does it sugar when you take the
Because that's where the engine and that's the muffler. That's where the exhaust comes out.
You want to go bye-bye with me? Yeah. You love Tata? Yeah. You love hamburger? Yeah. You love tractor? Yeah. He says yes to everything.
Watch out, Sunukada.
You love Jeremiah? Yeah. You love tree? Yeah. You love chair? Yeah. You love mama? Jeremiah love mama? Yeah. You love Adam? You love Adam? Do you love Jeremiah love me? Jeremiah, do you love me?
No, don't do that. That's nasty. Put it down. It's just too much.
Yeah. Oh, when can you give me a ride on these? This.
When I get a thing from behind to pull it with.
What does that mean?
A trailer.